You estimate each of the following using general rule. This is our today's concept. Now rounding of number 730 is 700, because already I explained you in the previous video that if you are to rounding of number nearest to 100 means you have to see the last two digit is 30. 30 is less than 50 means there is no change in the 100 place, and ones plus tens plus number will be 0. Okay, now see, next number is 998. Again here 98 is less, 98 is greater than 550 means there is add 1, you have to add 1 in the 100 place, and 100 plus is 9, 100 plus is what, 9, we have to add 1, the number becomes 1000. Okay, now see, again the last step is what, 700 plus 1000, when the number becomes 1700. This is your answer. It is very easy. Now we will go move towards second number, 796 minus 314. You have to do the rounding of number 796 towards 100. 96 is greater than 50 means you have to add 1 in the 100 place, and the number becomes 800. Rounding of numbers 314. Again you have to compare last two digit with 50, and again 14 is less than 50 means there is no change in the ones, there is no change in the 100 plus. 100 plus will be 3 and ones tens plus will be 0 0, and you have to do the subtraction. 800 minus 300, the answer will be 500. Okay, now it is clear to you. Now third one is what, 12,904 plus 2,888. You have to do this rounding of number nearest to 1000, because 12,904 number is 12,904. You have to compare 904 towards 500, and 904 is greater than 500. That's why you have to add 1 in the 1000 place, and the number becomes 13,000. Number becomes 13,000. Now the number is, next number is 2,888. 888 again is greater than 500. That's why you have to add 1 in the 1000 place, and the number becomes 3000. Okay, now 13,000 plus 3,000, the answer will be 16,000. Answer will be 16,000. Okay, now see the question number 4. Question number 4 is what, 28,292 minus 21,496. Rounding of number 28,292. You have to do the roundation nearest to 1000. Again 292 you have to compare with 500. 292 is less than 500 means there is no addition in the 1000 place, and the number becomes 28,000. Now rounding of number 21,496. 496 again less than 500. That's why there is no change in the 1000 place, and the number becomes 21,000. And 28,000 minus 21,000 is equal to 7,000 means you have to do the simple subtraction here. Next question is regarding give your rough estimate by rounding off to nearest 100, and also closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. Okay, rough estimate, you remember that I gave you the rough estimate. You have to find out the rough estimate. Rough estimate means what, rounding of number nearest to 100 means 39 you have to compare with 50. 39 is less than 50 means there is no addition in the 100 plus, and the number becomes 400. Okay, rounding of 334 nearest to 100. Again 34 is less than 100. 34 is less than 50. Again there is no change in the 100 place, and the number becomes 300. Okay, now see what you have to do. You have to do rounding of 4,370 nearest to 100 means you have to do the nearest number 100 means again you have to compare 17 with 50. Again 17 is less than 50 means there is no change in the 1000 place. There is no change in the 100 place, and the number becomes 4,300, and the answer will be, addition is 400, 300 and 4,300. The answer is 5,000. It is clear to you. Now see, next is what, closer estimate. In closer estimate you have to do rounding off to nearest 10. Nearest tens means you have to compare the unit place number. Here unit place number is 9. If 9 is greater than 5, 9 is greater than 5 means you have to add 1 in the you have to add 1 in the tens place and the number becomes 450 because 39, it is already 39. If you add 1 in the 3, there will be 440. Now rounding off 334 to nearest 10. Again nearest to tens you have to do means again you have to compare unit place ones place number with 5. Again 4 is less than 5 means there is no change in the ones 100, there is no change in the tens place and the number becomes 330. Okay, rounding of 4317 nearest to 10. Again, 7 is greater than 5 means you have to add 1 in the tens place and the number becomes 4320. Again, whatever number you are getting in this rounding off, you have to add it and you will get the answer 5090. Your answer is 5090. Okay, now see here 1 lakh. Next question, 1,08,734 minus 47,599. Rough estimate means was already they told you that rough estimate means rounding to nearest 100. Rounding to nearest 100, rough estimate. Rounding to nearest 100, already I told you rounding to nearest 100 means you have to compare last two digit with 50. 34 is less than 50 means there is no change in the 100 place. The number becomes 1,08,700. And in the second number 47,599. Again last two digit you have to compare with 100 and compare it with 50. Last two digit again you have to compare with 50 and 99 is greater than 50 means you have to add 1 in the 100 place and 47,600. 47,600 you have to do the subtraction of it and you will get the answer 61,100. Okay, now see this is the last point of your today's session. And last point is closer estimate. What you have to find out? Closer estimate. In closer estimate 1,08,734 you have to compare to nearest 10 means tens means you have to compare ones place number is less than 5 means 1,08,730. Now rounding of number nearest to rounding of 47,599 nearest to 10 means last digit 9 is greater than 5 means again you have to add 1 in the tens place number, the number becomes 47,600 and last is what you have to do the subtraction of it and you are getting the answer 61,130. Thanks for watching my video and if you like my video subscribe my channel.